YouTube world, what is going on? It's Daryl Jones. I'm back with another video for y'all today. One of my favorite days of the week, well, every 2 weeks I should say, grocery shopping. I know a lot of you don't like going to the grocery store. It's boring. You just want to be in and out. But for me, it's one of my favorite things to go do. I don't know why, I've always been that way. So today I'm going to show you the things that I got from the store, how I'm going to cook, the meal prepping, tips, and we're just gonna have some fun with it. I'll show y'all what we got going on today. And yeah, let's go. Okay, what we have here, everybody. Look at this. Now that's grocery shopping for you. That's what I call food. Now I'll be honest with you. Not everything that I buy is healthy. I like to snack. I have a lot of healthy snacks, but there's some snacks in there that's not the best choices. We're just gonna grab a bag and we're gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and everything in here should last me 2 weeks. I hope it does. Let's go. Let's grab this bag. Okay, let's see what's inside. Straight out of the gate, look at this. Apple Jacks. Not the best thing for you. Of course not. We have dry pasta. We have, ooh, look at that. Dove soap. Sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. Bag 2. Where are we? Let's pick. Let's see. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this one. Let's see. I gotta cut this open. It's gonna be like Christmas in this bag. See, look at that. Healthy stuff. Got some Driscoll strawberries. Got two of those. Got some salad. Got 2 bags of those. Look at that, see? So far, not so bad, right? Okay. Pasta shells number 2. Flatbread. People, you can have bread. I'm not saying you cannot have bread. This is, look at that. You can make some amazing wraps out of this. People are saying, well, I gotta stay away from carbs. I gotta stay away from bread, especially when I'm dieting. No, you don't. You can eat bread. It's all about being in a deficit. You can still have this. What else we got here? Yeah, I don't think this is a good bag. One of my favorite cereals of all time. Look at this. Look at that bag of greatness. Reese's Puffs. I love my cereals. Look at my cereals. I got cereals. Sometimes I'll be going through them like crazy. I could have like 6 boxes of cereals at a time. Obviously, I'm not eating them that much, but look at that. Greatness. What we got next? We have here, we got some meat. So this gotta go in the sink. I believe that's my chickens. Yep, my chicken legs. And I believe this is my chicken breast too. Let's see. Damn, these bags. Come on. There we go. Chicken breast. Now, if you see, as you can see, chicken legs, not the leanest of the meats. If you want to stay with the lean meats, you obviously want to go with the chicken breast. I got the chicken legs just to switch it up for me, just to liven up my menu. But I do cooking without the skin. Less fat when you have the skin off. So take all the skin off the chicken legs. It's not hard. What else we got? Got some milk. Not almond milk, correction. Oat milk. This is really nice. I love this milk. Love it. And if you're wondering, I'm not saying that there's a problem with regular milk. I just have a dairy sensitivity, so I gotta be careful. But this is a great option. Oat milk. Where we at now? Let's see. I need some space. See, I've been not doing too bad. Got the taco shells. One of my favorite snacks. Look at that, popcorn. I don't do the mini bags. If I'm doing the mini bags, I'm gonna pop 2 of them. So I just get the big bags. Look at that. Got 2. What we have in here, I mixed it up. Got a pack of tuna. All right, let's go to this bag. Let's see what we have here. I think we got some deli meats. Look at that, turkey. Make some sandwiches throughout the week. Yes, do they have salt in them? Yes. Are they bad for you? No, people. You can have deli meat. There's nothing wrong with them. What we have here? Oh, we got some more meat. We have, I believe this is what? Ground turkey? Yeah. I don't need too much red meat, so I stick to the ground turkey. 85.15. Not bad. I'm gonna put that there. Kick the bags out the way. We still got some more stuff to get to. We got some fruits. Look at that. We got some fruits. What kind of fruits we have? Look at that. Blueberries. See, I'm doing it healthy. We have some, I think we got some peaches here. Mind the camera angles, y'all. I apologize sometimes. Look at that. Fruits. I believe those are peaches. Look like peaches. What we have here. Got a napkin. I go through napkins like crazy. Gonna toss that to the side. What else do we have? All right. Oh, look at that. Heinz ketchup. If it's not Heinz ketchup, I don't touch it. I don't care what you say. Heinz is the best forever. We have some pasta sauce. I think I got 2 of those. Yep, got 2 of them. We have allergy meds. Allergies kill me. Got some taco sauce. Can't have dry tacos, I'm sorry. All right, some more snacks. Here we go. All right, liquid egg whites. Healthy, people. That's healthy. 2 of them. I love French toast, so I buy 2 of those, and I mix them up sometimes. If I'm not having French toast, so I just make some regular egg whites with some turkey bacon. Which, speaking of, I know there's some around here somewhere. Look at this, Jell-O. Sugar-free Jell-O. Where we at? 70 calories per snack. Not bad for you. Not bad. I got, what? Another Jell-O. All right. See. Almost done. What we have here? Cucumbers. These were on sale, actually. Look at that. Vegetables. Cucumbers right here. Healthy. Got some tomatoes. Healthy. See, I got a lot of fruits and vegetables. I got a red onion in here. Let's see. What's this? These are amazing. It's just like drinking diet soda. No sugar in them. Let me see. Look at this. Nothing. Healthy choices. Healthy option. What's the ingredients? Carbonated water, citrus acid, stevia leaf extract, natural flavors. Can't go wrong with this. And we got a watermelon, people. Look at that. I hope this is a good one. I was told this is how you got to pick them. But look at that. I hope that thing turns out the way it looks. Okay. Let's see what else we have. Ritz crackers to go with my tuna. Not the healthiest choices, but what did I do? I just got the mini packs. Let's see what we have here. 80 calories per So not as bad, but no, I'm not going to sit here and tell you Ritz crackers are the way to go. They're not the best thing to have if you dieting. Got some seasoning, garlic powder, go-to. Where are we? Turkey bacon. Love it. More seasoning, onion powder. I got some French dressing for my salads. Dressings are not too bad. Yeah, got 11 grams of fat, 4 grams of sugar, but don't use too much. Simple. Got some of these snacks. Hey, these are actually not as bad as I thought. I think I got 2 of them. If you guys ever go to the grocery store, check these out. Look, not bad. I mean, they high in carbs though. Like this one, they got what, 42 grams of carbs. I mean, this is something quick. Are they better than the average candy? Probably so, but it's still a better option. And I think I got another tuna pack in here too. Yeah, tuna pack. All right. What else? Here we go. Some bread. And like I told you before, I have my wraps and then I got my bread. This bread is for my French toast that I'll make, or if I'm just going to eat some deli sandwiches. Simple. Like I said, you can have bread. Nothing wrong with it. So how we looking so far, people? Not bad, right? Not bad. And I think that's it. Here we go. So that's it for my grocery shopping, man. I'm gonna put the phone down. I'm gonna get everything set up, put everything away, and then we're gonna start cooking.